Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. Are you wondering where your emergency signal is? Where could it be? Where, oh where? You're looking around the dash, it's an emergency. There's people out there crashing into each other. They're crashed. There's just bodies flying, and there's cats just dancing, and all kind of stuff's going on, and there's all kind of chaos, and you're like, oh, how do I alert other people that my car, this is an emergency that other people need to know? Well, let me point that out to you. It's this button right here. You press that in. Let me show you. Let me turn the car on. You're gonna be like, oh my god, what's going on? And you press this, and that's what happens. You'll see your flashers go on like that, and you're like, your flashers are on, and that is a signal that your emergency lights are on. So push it one more time, and it will go off. Now let me give you a close-up. There it is. That is your emergency button. That will take you home. That will take you to the promised land. That will tell other people that you are in an emergency, or there's an emergency going on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day, you human being of the planet Earth. How could you do this to us? Why do you not multiply and expand off this planet? We're only on one planet, and we're going to lose as a species if we do not get off this planet. So learn to use your emergency signal. That's the emergency signal. If there's ice on the road, a lot of ice and a lot of snow, and everybody has to go slow, you press that emergency signal, and it will go, hey, alert other drivers that, hey, this is a bad condition, please slow down. Or if there's like a car wreck, push that button. Or if there's some type of accident or alien invasion, or there's a meteor that's going to hit the earth that we do not have the gravitational deflection to stop it, well, and then our earth species are going to just demise, well, push that button. Push. You're going to want to push that button when all kinds of stuff happens, because it will alert the driver behind you. It will put the flashers on left and right, like you're turning both left and right at the same time, like you are time traveling. When you do that, you are going 88 miles per hour. No, you are not going 80 miles per hour, but you are pressing the emergency lights, and it is an emergency, and it is letting the other people know behind you. You're letting them know without verbal. You are non-verbally communicating to another human being in another vehicular transportation that there is an emergency going on, and for them to be more alert than they are. They may be alert times 2. But when you hit that button, they will be alert times 3. They will be alert to person, place, and your emergency. How about that? Ha ha ha. Because this has been another Matthumanpizza video. You have a great and wonderful day in a Toyota RAV4.